Hello everyone! After so many years working with these machines, there's one thing we've learned. Most problems are not always what they seem. This message appears when the vacuum detects that air is not flowing properly through the system. Put simply, the machine senses that something is restricting the airflow and reduces performance to protect the motor. And even though the message mentions the filter, the blockage is often somewhere else. At our shop, we frequently hear customers say things like, "I cleaned the filter and the warning still appears," or "My Dyson starts working and a few seconds later it says there's a blockage." That tells us we're not always dealing with a dirty filter. Instead, we need to inspect the entire path where the air travels. The first thing we check is the HEPA filter and the motor filter because over time they can become clogged with fine dust and lose their ability to filter properly. This happens often in homes with pets or places where the vacuum picks up a lot of debris. Dyson recommends washing the filters according to their instructions and allowing them to dry completely before reinstalling them. If the filter is clean and the problem continues, we then inspect other areas such as the wand, the main brush, and the air intake openings. Many customers tell us the warning appears after vacuuming carpets or picking up long hair because small amounts of buildup can partially block the airflow. As one of our technicians says, sometimes the filter is perfectly clean, but there's a hidden clog somewhere inside the air pathway. In some cases, the airflow sensor itself may also detect an incorrect reading due to accumulated dirt. At that point, simply washing the filter is not enough. A deeper cleaning is needed to make sure the internal air passages are completely clear. Dyson states that this message is generally related to an airflow restriction and recommends checking for blockages, cleaning the filters, and making sure all parts are properly installed. There is currently no official notice confirming a widespread defect with the Dyson V15 related to this issue.